If you have opened this video, then most likely you are interested in stock trading. My name is Roman Kornev. I am a partner of the company and brand, and right now I will show my reversal points directly on the chart in the platform MetaTrader. Is the most popular platform for trading on the stock exchange. I will show you my entry points, where to buy and where to sell so that we can make money together. This week we will also discuss the important news that will be coming up this week. This week's Euro-dollar news. The European Central Bank will decide whether to cut or raise interest rates. And to make sure you don't miss this important news, subscribe to my Telegram channel at the link in the description of this video. 30 minutes before the news release, I want everyone give my predictions and we make money on it together. We will also discuss on which currency pair my trading robot makes the best money. So let's get started. So let's start the analysis with the euro-dollar. This is the most popular currency pair. And here we need to find support lines and resistance lines in order to determine entry point. As you can see, I've already drawn the purple line. These are support and resistance lines from where the price usually reverses. I gave these reversal points last week and they haven't worked out yet, but they will probably work out and it will be possible to make money on them. We just have to wait a little bit. If we are impatient and want to find more reversal points and trade more often, we simply choose a smaller time frame. There is a panel at the top here. Click on H1. And here we find other reversal points on other support and resistance lines. Look, I'm going to draw a resistance line for the euro-dollar. Judging by it, there's a reversal point coming up. I have drawn it as a turquoise rectangle, and from here, I show it with a downward arrow. That is, when the price reaches this line, it is likely to turn around and go down. This movement may not last long, but nevertheless, you can make a quick profit on it using the broker's leverage and even a small deposit. There is also a support line at the bottom. You can see it on H4. Here on H1 it continues. And if the price goes down and reaches the support line, there will be another reversal point. From this line, it will be possible to buy and make money on the growth of euro-dollar. On the one hand, it looks uncomplicated. On the other hand, if you are just starting to study the financial market, you may have difficulties how to correctly identify the support and resistance line. Well, also, how to install the terminal, customize it, and so on. Basic things, and I have all these basic things in my course on trading for beginners from scratch. If you are just starting to learn the market, then message me on Telegram at the link in the description. I will tell you how you can get this course for free and lay a good foundation with training, with knowledge, not to lose, but to make more money. Let's take a closer look at the euro-dollar and look for other entry points based on other instruments. In general, MetaTrader has a lot of different tools and indicators. By the way, there are many videos on indicators on the channel, so subscribe to learn for free. But now, we will look at the Fibonacci grid. This is a grid like this, where there is a Fibonacci ratio, and I observed that the price, when it was going up, there was a wave, you see, upward, and then correcting downward, it was bouncing off the 38.2 level. This is a good sign. It means that if the price goes further down, from the level 50, and from the level 61.8, it can repeat such correction. Accordingly, from here, it will be possible to buy and earn on the growth. In order not to miss these trades, you can immediately make an alert here. And as soon as the price comes up, the terminal will notify you. Here you can buy and make money on the growth. Or you can put pending orders at once. Well, what are pending orders? If you suddenly do not know, you will take my course and learn. All of this is built into MetaTrader. It's simple and very convenient, but also be careful to pay attention to the news. When I first started trading, I used resistance support lines too, but I didn't take into account the news. Sometimes when there was a support line, I wanted to buy. So this week it's gonna be like that. The price might go to the support line. You decide to buy. But at that point, the big news that I was talking about could come out. The European Central Bank interest rate decision. If there is a decision to lower the interest rate, it's quite possible that the price could go down. And the news could have a stronger impact on the euro-dollar going down than the support line on the euro-dollar going up. If you buy from the support line, and the news comes out at the same time, you could lose money. In order for you not to lose money, always take the news into account. So subscribe to my Telegram channel. I want everyone in time. Be very attentive. Let's look at one of the favorite tools of my subscribers and traders in general. This is gold to the dollar. As we can see, on this chart I marked a reversal point last week. You can take a look and see for yourself on my last issue. I talked about this reversal point there and see how perfectly it worked out. Look, there was a resistance line. Price came to that level and exactly bounced off that line. This confirms the validity of resistance and support line. I've been trading on them for years. I've been doing releases for you for the 5th year on YouTube. So subscribe and get some good reversal points for free. Well, if you want to get selected reversal points that I trade on, together with charts, together with reversal points, together with entry points, buy, sell code, take profit, exit from the deal. All this you can get from me in the VIP channel. Send me a link to Telegram. I'll tell you how to subscribe to it. Let's see if there are still some reversal points on gold and hopes to make money on it. Well, what I see in general, gold is a very capricious instrument. It is very volatile. It can quickly break through the support and resistance lines, but sometimes it works out very well. Sometimes it doesn't get there a little bit. Look, right here, pay attention here in this place. The first time the price did not reach and rebounded very strongly. The second time it came in and rebounded. In gold, you should take into account that sometimes you can enter the deal earlier when the price has not reached the resistance line, because it is very volatile. It didn't reach the resistance line a little bit, and it's already rebounded. So I call these places zones. I mean, you can't expect that it's going to bounce right off the line. Sometimes the price has entered the zone and is ready to bounce. For example, look at the support line down below. You see, here is a good support line. The price has bounced a few times, just once, 2, 3 candles. At our 100 pips. That is, it was very good to earn $1,200 from each traded lot. Moreover, to trade one lot, you only need $100. At the broker with which I cooperate, you can open an account at the link in the description of this video. And if the price goes down again, this zone can be repeated. That is, you can buy here again and make money on the growth. And it can also be several times. But the only thing to note here is that this place is a zone. It is no longer a line because it is a little bit blurred. We can consider the very minimum right here. But still, I would consider it as a zone because I would not hope for an exact correction from the line. Just in this zone you can buy, not to sell, but to buy. And if the price goes up, it can also touch this resistance line once again. But according to my strategy, it is already weakened. But nevertheless, there is a potential. It will be possible to make some money here. And lastly, let's see the currency pair, which is the best to trade with my trading robot Fly Dynamic. Look, silver is in a gorgeous sideways trend. That is, the price is going up and down, up and down. And in this sideways trend, in general, silver has been in a sideways trend for a long time, but it continues. Periodically I turn it off. Now I will also run it on silver. Now it is very good to run it in buy and sell mode at the same time. My robot has 3 modes, and in sideways trends, you can run it in buy and sell mode at the same time, and it collects profit best of all. That is, no matter where the price goes, it collects profit. If you haven't tried my trading robot yet, then be sure to write to me on the link. In the description in Telegram, I will tell you how to get it for free. Already using a trading robot, but do not want to customize it yourself? My paid consultation will help. My expert will set up the sets, show you how to test the robot, and start trading with you. By the way, the other day I released an interview, be sure to watch it, with a trader from Kazakhstan who has already made money over the last month by setting up my assistant Leonid. Launched several sets, several currency pairs, 3 currency pairs, as far as I remember, and we recorded an interview with him. He earned 32% for a month, which cannot but be happy. And accordingly, I recommend everyone to try this way too. Let's lastly give a signal on silver for manual trading, not only for robots. Here you see the resistance line. As soon as the price approaches this line, you can sell here and capitalize on the decline. So don't miss this level either. You can put an alert and capitalize on it. These are the trades for this week. Subscribe to my channel. The link in the description is my YouTube channel, Telegram channel. Also a link to my free course for you if you're a client, company and markets, and are a member of my affiliate group. You can always use my products with discounts or free of charge. I wish you all a successful trading week. Trade with pleasure. Bye bye everyone.